Ang totoo, I was not expecting na ganito magiging kasaya at napaka-organized nitong aking 75th birthday celebration. Medyo nga siguro nga na ito pa ba si Erwin? Erwin, medyo napagalitan ko. Dahil sabi ko, nung ko lang rin sinakita itong venue na ito, ibang nakita ko. And I was really shocked to find so many, na punong-puno ng flowers at ganito pala kababa ang ceiling. But when lighted naman pala naman, it's okay. And at tuwan-tuwa yung aking mga bisita at mga kaibigan. So, thank you to Stella Sweets for being with me dito sa okasyon na ito, mahalagang okasyon na ito. I was pleasantly surprised. Thank you.
Ako naman, siguro yung madaling pakikipag-usap kay Erwin, isang gusto ko i-comment kasi lahat ng mga nabanggit ko sa kanya na sunod naman, pagpasensyahan lang na napagalitan siya ng mother. Ayun lang naman, and it was very organized. It was a very joyful celebration.
And Angela, personally, I thank you. She took care of me. Pinakain na ako. Before kanya baka gutom na ako. Salamat, Angela.